Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Mohanay. Today I need to discuss about some problem of inverse trigonometry function. The question is given: solve cos 2 sin inverse x is equal to 1 by 9. Let sin inverse x is equal to theta. Okay, x is equal to sin theta. Then cos 2 theta. 2 sin inverse x given, that is cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 9. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 by 9. Implies 2 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 by 9 minus 1. 2 sin square theta, this is equal to how much? 1 minus 9 by 9 is equal to minus 8 by 9. 2 sin square theta is equal to 8 by 9. Okay, then sin square theta is equal to how much? 8 by 9 divided by 2 is equal to 8 by 9 into 2. 2 and 2 1 is 2 4. Sin theta is equal, this is sin square theta is equal to 4 by 9. Sin square theta is equal to 4 by 9. Sin theta is equal to root over 4 by 9 is equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. Sin theta is equal to how much? X. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. This is answer. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question: sin inverse x plus sin inverse 1 minus x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, you know sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 you write here first. Sin inverse 1 minus x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. You see cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. You apply this here. This is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, that is cos inverse x. Okay, sin inverse 1 minus x is equal to cos inverse x. I can express it into sin inverse x. So cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse root over 1 minus x square. Sin inverse will cancel out. This is equal to 1 minus x is equal to root over 1 minus x square. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So 1 minus x whole square is equal to 1 minus x square. Okay, this is 1 plus x square minus 2x is equal to 1 minus x square. So plus 1 will cancel out from both sides. X square, this minus x square come to this side, plus x square minus 2x is equal to 0. 2x square minus 2x is equal to 0. This is 2x x minus 1 equal to 0. 2x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Okay, so I have solved. The value of x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Solve sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Solve means we have to find the value of x. Here you see minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 minus x. is equal to minus 2 sin inverse x. Pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, that is cos inverse 1 minus x. Okay, then taking cos both sides, cos minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x. Okay, this is equal to cos minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse will cancel out, this is 1 minus x. You see, let sin inverse x is equal to theta. You take let sin inverse x is equal to theta. X is equal to sin theta. So this is equal to cos minus 2 theta is equal to 1 minus x. You know the formula cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, so cos minus 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus x. Okay, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus x. 1 minus 2 sin theta is equal to x. Sin square theta is equal to x square is equal to 1 minus x. Okay, this one and this one will cancel out. Minus 2x square is equal to minus x. That is 2x square is equal to x. 2x square minus x is equal to 0. Taking common x, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, x equal to 0 or 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to half. But x is equal to half does not exist in this equation. So x is equal to 0 is the solution. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x by 2 is equal to pi by 2. You know the formula. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Okay, I can put here in the place of cos inverse x, pi by 2 minus sin inverse x plus sin inverse x by 2 is equal to pi by 6. Okay, so this is equal to sin inverse x by 2. I have written it first, then sin inverse x is equal to pi by 6 minus pi by 2. Okay, is equal to sin inverse x by 2 minus sin inverse x, pi by 6 minus pi by 2, LCM 6. This is pi minus this is 3 pi. Okay, minus 2 pi by 6 is equal to minus pi by 3. Okay, you write here minus pi by 3. Okay, so you apply here sin inverse x minus sin inverse y. Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse x root over 1 minus y square, here 1 minus x square, plus y, that is x root over 1 minus x square, that is x square by 2 square, that is x square by 4, is equal to minus pi by 3. Okay, then you write sin inverse x by 2 root over 1 minus x square plus x root over 1 minus, this is 4 minus x square, 4 minus x square by 2 root 4, that is 2, is equal to sin minus pi by 3. You know sin pi by 3 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. Sin minus pi by 3, that is minus root 3 by 2. Sin inverse will cancel out. This is x by 2 root over x by 2 root over 1 minus x square plus x by 2 root over 4 minus x square, okay, is equal to sin minus pi by 3, that is minus root 3 by 2, okay. You see, then taking common half root over 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x square plus this is x into root over 4 minus x square is equal to minus root 3 by 2. 2 will cancel out, okay, is equal to squaring both sides, squaring both sides, this is equal to how much, x square 1 minus x square plus this is minus sign given or minus sign, yes, minus sign given, this is minus, sorry for that, okay. So root over x square, x into root over 1 minus x square, that is x square 1 minus x square plus x square a plus b whole square, x square 4 minus x square, again minus 2 into x square 2ab root over 1 minus x square 4 minus x square is equal to 3 minus root 3 whole square, that is 3, okay. This is equal to x square minus x4 plus 4x square minus x fourth is equal to, okay, 3 minus 3 is equal to how much, you write minus 2x square, you write here minus 2x square root over 1 minus x square 4 minus x square is equal to 3, okay. Then this is 4x square, that is 5x square, this is minus x4, this is also minus x4, that is minus 2x4 minus 2x square root over 1 minus x square 4 minus x square is equal to 3, okay. So implies this is how much, you write it 2x square root over 1 minus x square minus 2x square root over 1 minus x square 4 minus x square is equal to 3 minus 5x square plus 2x4, squaring both sides, squaring both sides, this is equal to minus 2x square, so this is equal to 4x4 1 minus x square 1 minus 4 minus x square 4 minus x square is equal to 3 minus 5x square plus 2x4 whole square, okay. This is equal to how much, 4x4, this is 1 into 4 4 1 into minus x square minus x square minus 4x square plus x fourth is equal to a square, that is 9 plus b square, that is 25x square plus c square 25x4, okay, plus c square, that is 4x8 plus ab 2ab, that is 5 into 3 15 15 into 2, this is minus 15 to 30 30 x fourth. Okay, 2ab that is you how much 15 minus 30 x square. Okay, then 2bc minus 2bc that is 5 into 10, 5 into 2 10, 20 x 6 plus 2ca, 3 into 2 6 into 2 12 x fourth. Okay, this is equal to how much 16 x fourth minus this is 4 plus minus 4 minus 1 5 into 4 20 x sixth plus 4 x 8 is equal to 9 plus 25 x 4 plus 4 x 8 minus 30 x square minus 20 x 6 plus 12 x fourth. Minus 20 x 6 minus 20 x 6 will cancel out. 4 x 8 this is 4 x 8. Okay, 4 x 8 will cancel out. This is equal to how much 16 x 4 minus 25 x 4 minus 12 x 4. Okay, minus 30 plus 30 x square is equal to 9. Okay, minus 9 is equal to 0, directly write down, is equal to 16. This is 25 plus 12 how much 37 x 4 minus 16 21. This is minus 21 x 4 minus plus 30 x square minus 9 equal 0, or I can write 21 x 4 minus 30 x square plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, pause the video. Next you see 21 x 4 30 x square. I can write 21 x square minus 9 x square plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, 21 x square taking common, that is x square minus 1 minus 9 taking common, x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 21 x square minus 9 is equal to 0, or x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, that is x square is equal to 9 by 21, or x square is equal to 1. Okay, x square is equal to root over 9 by 21, or x is equal to plus or minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus, you write down here plus or minus 3 by root 21, or x is equal to 1, or x is equal to minus 1. Here x cannot be plus or minus 3. Here x cannot be plus or minus 3 by root 21. Okay, or x cannot be negative, x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 1 is the solution. Pause the video, note it down.